Hey, hi guys, my name is Nagashekar and you are watching Tech Mahir. So, if you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and click bell icon for instant notifications. And if you want personal assistance, you can contact us by using Call Me For app, where you can call us and you can talk to us.
Hello guys, I am Praveen. I am a BTech final year student in Computer Science and Engineering. I was selected for Cognizant, TCS and Infosys through Hack with Infi. Now I would like to share my interview experience of Hack with Infi, and I thanks for the Tech Mahir channel to give this opportunity to introduce myself and to share the interview experience of Hack with Infi. So let's get started. Firstly, what is Hack with Infi? Hack with Infi is the coding challenge and the recruitment process of Infosys, which was conducted every year for the final year students of BTech from all streams. Now we would see the eligibility criteria and how we apply for the Hack with Infi examination. So you should see the link provided in the description and register for that. Now we will see the eligibility criteria for the exam. Eligibility criteria is, irrespective of the stream, all the BTech final year students are eligible for the examination. So for the Hack with Infi 2021 exam, all the final year students 2022 first hours are eligible from any college. So the students who have backlogs also are eligible for the examination, but by the joining into the Infosys, we need to clear all the backlogs and we should maintain the 60% of pass percentage in our academics. Now we will see the complete process of Hack with Infi. That means which is of how many rounds it consists of, and how the selection process is, and how the exam pattern. Now for up to the last year, the Hack with Infi consists of mainly 3 rounds. One is the qualifying round, finale round, and the grand finale round, that is the hackathon round. But for this year, it consists of only 2 rounds. That is the qualifying round and the finale round, that is the hackathon round. In the first round, we will be given with the 3 coding questions that could be solved in any of the programming languages you may like C, C++, Python or Java, etc. You should choose only one of the programming language that could be solved at least one and of the coding questions to qualify for the next round, that is the finale round. After the completion of round 1, after 2 to 3 months, you will receive a mail from the company whether you are selected for the interview round or not. So if you are selected for the interview round, they will schedule an interview date, so whether their interviewer are free. So in the interview process, you may ask for the problems given by the interviewer to solve in any programming languages you may know. So after that you may question by the technical questions and followed by the HR questions. The whole interview process will be done in one step. Both technical and HR questions are asked by the only one of the interviewer. During the first round, you should remember mainly 2 points. One is, you don't go through the code plagiarism. And the second one is, you should avoid the background noise as it is a web proctoring round. So when you maintain these 2 points, Sometimes you may get a chance to qualify for the final round, that is the hackathon round. Sometimes, apart from the top 100 performers of the round 1, you may qualify for the direct interview round for the SES and SE roles. So to crack the interview round, you should go through the questions that can be asked in the previous years or previous interviewers, and you may go through the membership of the TechMahir channel, in which they will provide the mock interviews and the interview experiences of the selected people in the Infosys and also other companies. So you should first go through the programming languages or the any interests that can be mentioned in your resume. You should prepare only on those concepts, as the interviewer will definitely ask the questions based on your resume. So you will be well prepared for the interview only on your concepts that can be mentioned in your resume. After that, the interview is completed. You may receive the result of the interview after the 2 to 3 months of the interview was successfully completed. So, based on your performance, they will give the SES role or SE role. But you should definitely crack the interview, as mostly Hack with Infi candidates are very preferable by the Infosys. So this is a very good opportunity for all the streams of BTech to get into the Infosys. So all the best for the participants of Hack with Infi. Do subscribe the channel TechMahir and please like and share.
Please do subscribe to our channel and click bell icon for instant notifications, and please do follow us on Telegram and Instagram. Links are provided in the description.
Thanks for watching this video, and subscribe to our channel TechMahir. Thank you.
Video, give a big thumbs up, share it to your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon below for not missing any other.
So those who haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, please do subscribe to never miss any update regarding job updates, placement information, interview experiences, etc. So please do subscribe, and if you like this video, please share this video with your friends.